and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing today, and this is exciting for both me and for you because I don't know what's in it. This was a gift sent to me by Ashley, a subscriber, and apart from sort of peeking to confirm it was a diamond painting and that it wasn't one of the kids' Christmas presents, I haven't opened it. So I'm gonna have a look now with you guys and see what it is that she sent. Ooh, looks very nice straight off. Okay, let's get the packaging out the way. So there is definitely a theme going on with paintings that are sent to me that involve coffee, and I'm all for that because I love a good cup of coffee. I'm not sure where this one is from. Looks like it could potentially be Home Fun style. Oh yes, there we go, Home Fun. So Home Fun are one of their companies. It is a 20 by 25, which is awesome. I do like to work on smaller ones every now and then. Let me get out the sheet so that I can show you. Wow, it has 27 colours, which is amazing for a 20 by 25, which is another reason I like Home Fun. They tend to have a decent amount of colours, but oh, look at that. Okay, let's have a look at the real painting itself, and then I will check off that everything is there. But thank you so much, Ashley, I'm excited already. So it does come on a nice big foam roller. I suppose you could use it for painting, might make a bit of a mess. It is a round, and by the looks of it, Home Fun do put training wheels on their rounds. I've not ordered a round from Home Fun before, but look at that. So you can see the image sort of coming through. It's a little bit harder to see it because it has got the round training wheels, but you can definitely see the image. And once the diamonds are on there, it's going to look amazing. I'm going to have to do this one soon. There we go. You see that? Oh, gorgeous. And it has got loads of colours, which is amazing. Okay, let's have a look. So it is a true 20 by 25 because it is from Home Fun. That does tend to be the canvas size, but just to confirm, right way round. Yeah, so that's 20 and that's 25. Fandiddly-tastic, exactly what we'd expect. And then the other thing that, if you're new to diamond painting, I have got a couple of escapees, but I can't quite tell if they're from a bag or not. So let me just get these bags out, and I'll just pay a bit more attention when I get to a yellowy colour. But when you do get a diamond painting from from a company that sends them in these separate packets, it is always worth just confirming that the amount they say you're going to get is the amount that you've got. So 7222. Now I am marking this in pen. I will end up using this part to stick onto my storage when I do this painting. But that's a prime. I'm going to keep that one to one side. That's a prime example of what these companies do in regards to packets. So most packets come like this, the little small ones. They hold on average 200, can vary between companies, but that's your average. But occasionally they will send you a bigger one. This is actually equivalent to 5 of these. So for this colour, which is 310, they say I should have 6, which means there is more than likely, or there should be, one on its own. There it is. So that is a 200, that is a 1,000. So this equals 5 bags, plus 1 is 6 bags. So we do have what we should have. It tends to happen a lot on the likes of 310 and 3865 if you need a lot of those. Quite often they will end up giving you it in those bigger bags. So if you do ever get that from a supplier, don't panic that you haven't got enough. Just count the bigger bags as being equivalent to 5 and see where your numbers are at then. They could still get it wrong, but more often than not, it's right. And that's 9961. 8231. So it's going to be quite a lot of kitting up of just single colours on this one. 2223. Try actually going in the right order. 921. 3766. 3023. 168. 1. Is that split? Split but not into where the beads are. 931. 919. 1. 350. 1. 939. 3. 3771. 2. 3865. We only have 1, so there's no need for any bigger bags for that one. 4981. 945. 3. 798. 1. And then 3853. 2. And then once you're done, check down your sheet and confirm that you've got all ticks where you should have ticks. And that's all you can do. There was only one yellow colour, because these 2 Rogue Diamonds are yellow, but it's actually not the same colour as what's on this bag. So I'm guessing they have come from either another order or just an explosion in the factory. So let me grab a baggie. Now it's a smaller painting, so I'm actually going to try, of these new bags that I got, this one is what's classed as a B6 in size. It's like a card bag size. I'm going to pop the diamonds in this, because when they come in loose packets, I prefer to sort of corral them into something than storing the big bag. On some of the paintings, I do store them when they come in half the size, but that's just because I've got far too many paintings at the moment. But this one will definitely be going higher up on my list. So that is the diamonds in one place. And then I'm going to fold the A4 sheet so that that can also slot in. And that will tell me what the picture is. And then in addition, what I use is I have these labels, and they tell me what the picture is. So for this one, I'm going to put Autumn Coffee. Autumn Coffee, and it is a 20 by 25. Shop, I'm going to put from Ashley, with a little heart, because then I know that that was gifted to me, and this one is a round. So that's how I mark up my labels, if it will focus. And then I actually do 2 of them. So I put one on the diamonds themselves, and then I put exactly the same information. So Autumn Coffee, 20 by 25. Lovingly gifted from Ashley. Thank you so much, Ashley. In fact, I've coloured in the heart on that one, and it's colouring the heart on this one. And that is in round. And then that label sticker goes on the diamond painting itself. And that enables me then, whether I pick by diamonds or pick by paintings, I can make sure that they're matched up and I've got the right diamonds. So that's helpful if you've got quite a few diamond paintings, to sort of rename them yourself, and give yourself a name to them that you recognise, not necessarily what the shop has. But I'm sure I will be kitting this one up very soon. It'll be interesting to work on a home fun round. I'm quite looking forward to working on around. I do think that because it has got the training wheels on it, you can't see the image quite as well, which is quite nice. Keeps a little bit of mystery about it. But I will surely put that one on my to-do list. Oh, because I've just peeled that back, I've just lost the sticker. Doesn't stick as well to these wax sheets as it does to the clear ones. But if I move it over and put part of it on the canvas, it tends to stay. Oh, and I did get a toolkit, quite a nice toolkit that Home Fun do. So you get the pen with a multiplater, you get wax, you get the nice white tray, you get tweezers, and then you get a few baggies. Not 27 of them, but you get a few baggies. So it definitely works. So yeah, thank you so much to Ashley. I love paintings that, you know, other people choose, and in fact choose for me. I've not seen this image before, but I mean, it might even be a cup of tea, but to me that's a cup of coffee, because that's what I drink. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.